I really don't get why everyone keeps pushing English so hard. Like, why is studying English that important anyway?
Okay, wow, starting strong today, huh? But seriously, you don't think English matters?
I mean, not really. I live here. I speak my own language just fine. I'm not planning to move abroad or anything.
That's exactly what I used to say. But hear me out. English isn't just about moving abroad anymore.
Uh-oh. This sounds like a lecture already.
Relax, no lecture, just facts. For example, technology. Most apps, websites, and software, English.
Yeah, but there are translations now. Google Translate exists?
True, but have you actually used it for something serious? It messes things up a lot.
Okay, fair. Last time it translated my message so wrong, my teacher thought I was being rude.
Exactly. If you understand English yourself, you don't have to rely on broken translations.
Still, though, studying English is hard. Grammar, pronunciation, spelling. Why does one language need so many rules?
Oh, trust me, English is weird. I won't defend that. But think about jobs. A lot of good jobs require English.
Hmm, thinking pause. Yeah, I've seen job ads saying English required, but isn't that kind of unfair?
Maybe, but it's reality. Companies deal with international clients, emails, meetings. English is like the default language.
So you're saying English is basically power.
Snaps fingers. Yes, exactly that. Language is power. The more English you know, the more doors open.
Half joking, doors to more homework and stress?
Short-term pain, long-term gain.
Okay, but what if someone just wants a simple life? Local job, local people.
That's totally fine. But even then, movies, music, YouTube, games, so much content is in English.
Oh, don't attack my hobbies. I hate waiting for subtitles.
See, if you understand English, you get jokes faster, emotions feel more real, and nothing gets lost.
Slow nod. Yeah, subtitles do ruin punchlines sometimes.
Also, English helps you connect with people from different countries. You can make friends online, travel easier, understand cultures.
Sighs. When you say it like that, it sounds kind of cool.
Because it is cool. English is like a global bridge.
Teasing tone. Wow, poetic much?
Hey, blame English. It gave me the words.
Okay, you're convincing me. I still don't love studying it, but I get why it's important now.
That's all I'm saying. You don't have to be perfect, just improve little by little.
Pause, then chuckles. All right, I'll stop complaining and actually open my English book tonight.
A gasp? A miracle! Quick, write this down.
Laughing. Don't push it.